Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have MK4 Volkswagen Jetta, and I will show you how to remove and replace the instrument cluster. This video should apply to MK4 generation of Jettas and Volkswagen Golfs. Okay, so to start, first I want to pop out this plastic cover down here under the instrument cluster. Now this should be held by a couple of plastic clips. The best tool to use would be a plastic trim remover. If you don't have one, you can use like a flat screwdriver. In that case, just be careful not to scratch the dashboard. Once you have this plastic thingy off, you'll have two screws to remove. I'm gonna show you the location of them. You see, like, you'll have one screw here, it's a torx T20, and one on the other side. I'll try to turn on the flash on my phone. Okay, so you'll see one screw is here, torx T20, and the other one on the other side. So remove those two screws. Once you have these two screws out, there's nothing else holding this cluster actually anymore, so you just want to pull it straight towards yourself. Now there's a couple of plastic tabs still behind it, but I'm pretty sure you can just pull it straight out. See, it's not too hard to remove. It's a good idea to use both of your hands, but yeah. And now the last thing to do is just disconnect the connector on the back of it. Okay, now to disconnect this electrical connector, you just have to pull this lever all the way to the other side to release it, and then just pull it out. And when you're installing it back in, you will do the same thing. You will plug it in and then you will flip it to the other side, and this will lock in place. And now, before you can remove this cluster, you will have the same thing on the other side of the cluster as well. Okay, now the other one is the same thing. I will zoom it in. Just have to again flip that lever to the other side. Now I will have to squeeze my hand in there to be able to do it, but that's the idea, right? Once you have the other one out, then there is nothing else holding this cluster in place. You can slowly wiggle it off. Make sure to have the steering wheel lowered all the way down. You have this lever here which you can use to pull it down all the way, and this should give you enough space to wiggle this thing out. Okay, and that's it. This is how you can remove the instrument cluster on MK4 Volkswagen Jetta. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.